The Renault 5 looks simple, but there's more than meets the eye. Its design, engineering, and features set it apart from other super minis. In this video, we dive deep into what makes this little hatchback so special. Get ready to see the Renault 5 like never before. Born from a secret project, the Renault 5 was the product of a carefully guarded initiative within Renault in the early 1970s, internally known as Project 122. Its purpose was clear: to replace the aging Renault 4 with a small, practical, and modern hatchback that could redefine the super mini segment. Engineers and designers worked in near-complete secrecy, experimenting with innovative layouts, lightweight materials, and compact mechanical solutions while keeping the project hidden from competitors. The goal was not just efficiency or economy, it was to create a car that felt agile, spacious, and stylish, despite its small footprint. The design emphasized urban practicality, with tight turning capability, a high roofline for interior space, and flexible seating arrangements that maximized cargo capacity. Every decision balanced cost, performance, and durability, from the choice of steel panels to the compact suspension system. By the time the Renault 5 launched in 1972, it stunned both consumers and industry observers. Its combination of thoughtful engineering, playful styling, and everyday functionality marked a turning point in European small car design, demonstrating that clever innovation could transform a modest super mini into a versatile, iconic vehicle. Ultra-lightweight design. One of the Renault 5's most remarkable engineering achievements was its ultra-lightweight construction, which played a key role in performance, efficiency, and driving dynamics. Early models weighed just 650 to 700 kilograms, an impressive feat for a small car designed for both urban and suburban use. This was achieved through careful selection of materials, including thin-gauge steel for body panels, compact mechanical components, and minimalist interior fittings, all engineered to reduce mass without compromising durability or safety. The lightweight design had a direct impact on the car's agility and responsiveness, allowing even small engines to deliver lively performance. Cornering, braking, and maneuvering in tight city streets became easier, while fuel efficiency improved significantly compared to heavier rivals. Additionally, the lower weight reduced wear on suspension and braking components, contributing to long-term reliability. Renault's engineers also ensured that the structure remained strong, balancing economy with stability and crashworthiness. Tiny engines, big performance. Despite its compact size, the Renault 5 delivered remarkable performance relative to its engine capacity, showcasing Renault's focus on efficient engineering. Early models were equipped with small engines ranging from 0.8 to 1.1 liters, designed to balance fuel economy with sufficient power for urban and suburban driving. The car's ultra-lightweight construction amplified the effectiveness of these engines, allowing drivers to experience responsive acceleration, nimble handling, and precise cornering, even in tight city streets. Later performance-oriented variants, such as the R5 Alpine and Turbo, demonstrated the platform's versatility, with turbocharged engines producing over 150 horsepower in rally-ready configurations. This combination of lightweight chassis and well-tuned powertrains allowed small displacement engines to punch above their weight, delivering driving experiences that rivaled larger, heavier cars. Even in standard trim, the Renault 5 proved that efficient design and clever engineering could turn modest engines into practical yet spirited performers, providing a balance of economy, agility, and everyday usability that helped establish the car as one of Europe's most successful super minis. Steering column and linkage. Where the Renault 5's steering system, while innovative and compact, was prone to wear in the column and linkage components over time, particularly in high-mileage vehicles. The steering column connects the driver's wheel to the steering mechanism, transmitting input to the front wheels, while the linkages ensure precise movement and stability. In older R5 models, repeated use, exposure to road vibrations, and occasional lack of lubrication could cause the joints and bushings within the column and linkage to degrade. This wear often manifested as play in the steering wheel, reduced precision, or slight knocking noises during turns, especially on uneven roads. Regular maintenance, including lubrication and inspection of the joints, was essential to preserve steering accuracy and safety. In some cases, worn components required replacement to restore the original feel and responsiveness of the steering system. Understanding this aspect of the Renault 5's design highlights the balance engineers struck between compactness, maneuverability, and durability, while also emphasizing that, like all vehicles, wear and tear on critical moving parts is an expected aspect of long-term ownership. Cooling system problems. The Renault 5, while efficient and compact, was known to experience cooling system problems, particularly in older or high-mileage vehicles. Its small water-cooled engines relied on a radiator, water pump, thermostat, and hoses to maintain optimal operating temperatures. Over time, components such as the radiator core, water pump bearings, and hose connections could deteriorate, leading to reduced coolant circulation or leaks. These issues increased the risk of engine overheating, which, if left unaddressed, could cause severe damage, including warped cylinder heads or blown head gaskets. Owners were advised to monitor coolant levels regularly and inspect hoses, clamps, and radiator integrity to prevent failures. Early signs of cooling system issues included rising engine temperatures, coolant leaks, or unusual steam from the engine bay. Preventive maintenance, including periodic coolant replacement and inspection of the pump and thermostat, was essential to ensure reliable operation. Understanding these challenges highlights the importance of routine care in small, efficient vehicles like the Renault 5. While its engines were compact and economical, proper management of the cooling system was critical to maintaining performance, reliability, and longevity over the car's lifespan. Hydraulic clutch option. One of the notable technical features of certain Renault 5 models was the hydraulic clutch option, which represented an innovative approach to improving driver comfort and reducing pedal effort. Unlike conventional mechanical clutches, which rely entirely on cables or linkages to operate the clutch mechanism, a hydraulic system uses fluid pressure to transmit the driver's input from the pedal to the clutch assembly. This results in a smoother, lighter, and more consistent clutch operation, particularly beneficial in urban driving conditions where frequent gear changes are required. The hydraulic system reduces physical effort, allowing drivers to shift gears with minimal fatigue, while also improving precision and response. Components of the system typically include a master cylinder, a slave cylinder, and fluid lines connecting them to the clutch. Proper maintenance, such as checking fluid levels and ensuring the system is free of leaks or air bubbles, is essential for reliable performance. By incorporating a hydraulic clutch, the Renault 5 combined compact size, economy, and practicality with enhanced drivability, demonstrating Renault's forward-thinking engineering in small cars and setting a benchmark for comfort-oriented super minis. Interior comfort aging. Over time, the interior of the Renault 5, while practical and well-designed for its era, was prone to aging and wear, a common characteristic of compact cars from the 1970s and 1980s. The seats, often upholstered with foam padding and fabric or vinyl covers, could lose their shape and firmness after prolonged use, leading to sagging or uneven support. Door panels, dashboard trims, and steering wheel surfaces were constructed from plastics and synthetic materials that could fade, crack, or become brittle when exposed to heat, sunlight, or repeated handling. Regular maintenance, such as cleaning, conditioning of vinyl or leather surfaces, and protection from direct sunlight, could slow the degradation process. Replacement or refurbishment of worn components was sometimes necessary to maintain both comfort and aesthetics. While these aging issues did not affect the car's mechanical performance, they impacted the perceived quality and driving experience. Understanding interior wear highlights the Renault 5's combination of affordable, lightweight construction, and practical design, demonstrating how materials and ergonomics balanced economy with user comfort in small cars of its time.